Genesis of the Horizon Project. In a world where gaming lore meets dark reality, the Horizon Project stands as a beacon of unethical ambition. Born from the shadows of genetic engineering, this project doesn't just push the boundaries of science, it obliterates them. The year 2026 brings a lore update that positions the Horizon Project as a global biological threat, a stark reminder that the lines between myth and reality are often blurred. Original laboratory blueprints, once classified, now reveal the meticulous planning behind choosing the Bermuda island as the ultimate testing ground. The goal? To create perfected humans through CRISPR-inspired genetic manipulation, disregarding ethical boundaries and plunging into the depths of biological warfare. DNA blueprints and character mutations. Delving deeper into the genetic sequences that grant top-tier characters their unique active skills, we uncover a complex web of DNA blueprints and mutations. Each character's backstory is intricately linked to specific laboratory wings, where human DNA was spliced with predatory animal traits, enhancing their combat capabilities but at a steep cost. The biological price of these powers includes cellular degradation and mental instability, painting a grim picture of the survivor's plight. The active skills, a product of genetic manipulation, serve as a double-edged sword, empowering characters in the battlefield while slowly devouring their humanity. Classified laboratory records exposed. The latest map updates weave a tale of environmental storytelling, hinting at failed experimental subjects and the remnants of a project gone awry. Rogue scientists, attempting to leak the truth, have left a digital trail that points to a mass-scale genetic conditioning of all participants. Mysterious substances found on the island are linked to these experiments, suggesting a sinister plot to control and manipulate. The records expose a chilling reality, where the pursuit of science overrides compassion and ethics, leaving in its wake a trail of mutated survivors and a forever altered ecosystem. Evolution of the Bermuda ecosystem. The artificial mutations, once confined to human subjects, have begun to spread into the island's flora and fauna, creating a dystopian landscape where the natural and the synthetic coexist in an unstable harmony. The shrinking play zone and the activation of dormant genetic markers in survivors point to a controlled experiment designed to test the adaptability and resilience of the genetically modified soldiers. The 2026 seasonal shifts, far from being natural, are part of a grand experiment, gauging how these biological weapons respond to varying environmental pressures. The future of synthetic humanity. As we gaze into the future, predicting upcoming character releases based on the remaining gaps in the Horizon Project's genetic roadmap becomes a haunting exercise. The moral implications of using high-tech biological warfare as entertainment within the lore force us to confront the blurred lines between heroism and mere biological weaponry. The characters, with their superhuman abilities, stand at the crossroads, awaiting their final command. Are they heroes, fighting against the odds in a desperate bid for survival, or are they mere pawns in a much larger, more sinister game? The future of synthetic humanity hangs in the balance, as we challenge the audience to ponder the true nature of these characters and the world they inhabit. The journey through the dark lore of the Horizon Project leaves us with more questions than answers. The truth, much like the project itself, remains shrouded in mystery, awaiting the light of day. Until then, the saga of the Free Fire characters, born from the ashes of unethical genetic experiments, will continue to captivate and disturb, a constant reminder of the horrors that lurk in the shadows of science and ambition.